Hello, my name is Robin and I'm an indie game developer and designer. I work on my own games but also for clients as a freelancer. So today I want to talk about how I find inspiration for my game designs, especially for my user interface designs in game development. So the first resource I'm using is actually Dribbble, and Dribbble is great if you just need inspiration on user interface designs. You see that you have a lot of shots and you can find inspiration from all the different kind of fields. It's mostly user interface and product design and web design, but sometimes you find stuff like this which shows really great animations and helps you get your inspiration going, get your game design going. And you can even save and like these so you can save them later and use them in your collection. The second resource is Behance, which is great for quite longer cases, and it has a lot of categories. And if you go here, you find all categories, and you can go to game design and you find game design cases and you can click on them. For example, I'm just randomly clicking here and you find really great inspiration and long cases. They are really in-depth. You get a lot of information from these. So game design category from Behance is a great resource for you to find inspiration. And the last but not least, it's actually Steam. If you go to Steam and go to browse and more popular tags, you get the list of all the tags from all the games there are. And you can actually just search for your game and or the genre your game is in, and you find similar games to the one you are developing. So for example, let's say we want to make a platformer. I would just search for platformer and I get that. So these are all platformer games on Steam, and I can now click on it or click on one game and look at the game's mechanics, how is the layout, what are the graphics, and I can get inspiration. And what I usually do is, if I've got inspiration from one of these sites, I save the images or the screenshots. For example, this image, that's something I would save for myself on my hard drive, and then I'm going to create a mood board out of it. So I'm gathering as much information as I can and putting it into one place, and that's a mood board for me. How I create these mood boards for me and what I do with them and how I use them throughout my game design process, that's for another video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below and let me know what you use for your design inspiration. If you like my content, subscribe and have a good day. Bye bye und auf Wiedersehen.